In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top vitamin C face brightening creams, and I have done one for the body. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. That's one video that is doing so well in my channel, and you guys love my recommendations. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan and I film videos like this one. I film beauty content, skincare content, and also lifestyle content. So if that is something that you'd be interested in, please make sure that you're subscribed and that your bell button, that's the notification bell, is turned on for whenever I post the video. And hey, my returning subscribers, how are you doing today? Thank you so much for tuning back in. I really appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be recommending vitamin C face brightening creams. And before we get into the recommendations, I just wanted to just quickly point out the benefits of vitamin C for your face, if you're wondering. Now, I took some notes on my phone, obviously, because I don't want to forget the things that I want to say. So first of all, vitamin C is safe for most skin type, which is why it is a useful antioxidant for the skin, and it provides hydration. Of course, it can brighten your skin, hence why we are here today. Can reduce redness on the face, can reduce the appearance of under eye circles, promotes collagen production, may help sagging skin, may protect against sun damage, may soothe sunburns, and may also heal wounds on the skin. So yeah, vitamin C has lots of benefits for the skin. First of all, it's an antioxidant, which would mean that it protects your skin from the harmful rays of the sun. But vitamin C does not eradicate the importance of sunscreen when you use it. In fact, it is even important for you to use vitamin C products with your sunscreen. Very much important. If you do not use vitamin C with sunscreen, especially during the day, you will not get the results that you want. And vitamin C can end up making your skin more photosensitive, meaning your skin would be more sensitive to the sun. So this information is important before you get into using vitamin C, if you aren't using it already. And if you are already and you don't know about this, then make sure that you're constantly using your vitamin C creams, serums, anything that you use that contains vitamin C. Pair it with a good sunscreen so you can get the best result out of your vitamin C products. So the first vitamin C face cream that I want to recommend in this video today is the TrueSkin vitamin C brightening moisturizer. Now for the TrueSkin vitamin C brightening moisturizer, it also contains vitamin B5, green tea, and jojoba oil. And now the key ingredients here in this particular moisturizer is vitamin C, vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant for the skin, and also vitamin B5, which nurtures the skin, helps with the skin elasticity and barrier functions as well. It also contains organic aloe vera, and this helps with the moisturization properties. We know that aloe vera is a great humectant for the skin that keeps your skin a lot more hydrated. So yeah, now looking at the key ingredients tied together in this face cream, it is a great vitamin C moisturizer. First of all, with the other ingredients that accompany it, these ingredients will work so well in brightening your skin and also keeping your skin moisturized for longer hours. Now on their website, it says that this cream is formulated to hydrate and calm the skin conditions, diminish dark spots, provide potent antioxidant defense, encourage collagen production and elasticity, even out the skin tone and texture, soften fine lines and wrinkles, support skin barrier, promote a radiant, refined complexion as well. Now for this particular face cream, I would recommend this for all skin types because it is packed with a stable form of vitamin C. We know that not all products that contain vitamin C contains the stable version or stable forms of vitamin C. So yeah, this one has a more stable formula. This cream would help to even and illuminate skin. It also combats oxidative stress. Like I said, vitamin C is a great antioxidant for the skin, hence why it would help in combating oxidative stress. This face cream would also help to comfort and clarify your skin. I'm going to have links in the description so you can check out and see if you can order one for yourself. Now this video is not sponsored in any ways, but I do get like a little commission if you order with like the links in my description. So yeah, support your girl if you can. Now the next vitamin C face cream that I want to recommend is the Olay Regenerates Vitamin C plus Peptide 20 2024 hydrating moisturizer. Now this is a great vitamin C face cream. First of all, it doesn't just have vitamin C, it also contains peptides. Now peptides are great for the skin, especially aging skin, but then again it is great for all skin types. It keeps your skin barrier a lot more healthy. So now when the vitamin C in the cream is doing its job of protecting you from free radicals, the peptides is also improving the health of your skin, because peptides are great in improving skin barrier. So if you're even having like skin barrier issues, then these peptides in this face cream would then support the vitamin C. So apart from brightening your skin, you'll also be repairing your skin. That is why it is a great cream. Now this face cream is one that I refer to as luxury on a budget. Not so much of a budget, but this cream is about $39 or $40. So yeah, a cream that contains a potent level of vitamin C and also peptides, I think it is a great buy. Now talking of multi-purpose product, this is what I mentioned in one of my videos. So looking out for products that contain more than one active ingredient in nourishing your skin is always a great bet. Now we're going to look at what the website is saying about this cream. It says that it is a light and refreshing citrus scented silky lightweight cream that melts into skin and does not clog your pores. So that would mean that if you're oily or combination, then this is a good face cream for you. Leaves no greasy residues on the skin, refresh glow. You will instantly feel refreshing, hydration, and in 1 week you will have a skin that looks less tired with a glow, and in 1 month you will have a skin that looks brighter and more even and smoother. Now that is a realistic claim in my opinion, because if it gives you about 1 month for you to see like the skin brightening effect, then that would mean that it is a great formula. First of all, I do not really roll with brands that promise too much or give all these unrealistic claims. It says here that it features freshly squeezed ingredients. This formula crafted with vitamin C, vitamin B3 and lactic acid, which would mean it has a little bit of a peeling effect. That would be an exfoliating effect. So this cream is a great cream from the ingredients that I'm seeing here. Now I do have to mention that this face cream is formulated with parabens and also mineral oils and synthetic dyes, but it is dermatologist tested, which would mean that it is safe. They have checked to see that it is safe to use for your skin. So if you're not critical about parabens, mineral oils and all of that, if you do not really care for them in your cream, then you can definitely get the Olay vitamin C plus peptide hydrating moisturizer for your face. Now for the next vitamin C face cream I'll be recommending today is the one from the brand Ole Henriksen, or Ole Henriksen, I guess that's how it's pronounced, and it is their C-Rush brightening gel cream. Now like the name suggests, it is a lightweight vitamin C gel moisturizer, and now this particular one is packed with 3 different types of vitamin C. It says here that it delivers juicy 24-hour hydration, brightens, firms and targets the look of fine line and wrinkles on the skin. Of course, that is what vitamin C would do for your skin. Now it says that the daily effects of stress, fatigue and pollution can leave skin looking dry and dull, so you should fight back that dullness on your skin with this C-Rush brightening gel cream. It goes ahead to say that this innovative peachy tinted skin brightening cream instantly illuminates and delivers an energizing burst of 24-hour hydration. It targets fine line and wrinkles like it said earlier. It renews youthful radiance and firms the skin. It says to also improve makeup application, creating a smooth, hydrated canvas for foundation. So that would mean that this face cream would work a lot well if you're also doing your makeup after. Now the price point for this particular face cream is $48. Not much of a stain on a budget here, but then it is packed with like 3 forms of vitamin C, and it is also a very stable formula from what it says here. Now to go over the benefit, it delivers 24-hour hydration, brightens, firms, targets fine line and wrinkles. Now this particular one is clean, vegan and cruelty free. It says here that it gives about 140% increase in hydration according to users of this face cream. 97% of users experience hydration for up to 24 hours. That's also a doable claim. 60% average increase in skin firmness according to all users. Yes, vitamin C as an ingredient will definitely work on firming your skin. So the claims here are not outrageous at all. They are not unrealistic. So if you're looking for a good vitamin C face cream that is cruelty free, vegan friendly and also clean for the skin, then you can look towards the Ole Henriksen C Rush Brightening Face Cream. So the next vitamin C face cream we'll be talking about is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Face Cream by Riley. And this one is a bit more expensive than the rest that I have mentioned, and it's about $65. And this one is infused with 5% vitamin C. Now it also says that it is rich in hydration, visibly brightening dull skin, fights signs of dehydration and damage, and provides advanced antioxidant support. Formulated with THD ascorbate, a powerful, jar stable and highly targeted vitamin C derivative that prevents and repairs the visible signs of premature skin aging. Now this particular one as well is also sulfate free, paraben free, gluten free, soy free, and phthalate free, fragrance free as well, and also vegetarian. So if you're looking for something clean as well, this is also a great one. This one deeply moisturizes the skin, so if you have dry skin and also sensitive skin, the Riley one is one that you can look into. Now the key ingredients here are vitamin C, 5% THD ascorbate. Now this is a gold standard vitamin C. It is a powerful and stable one and highly concentrated, which is why it is used in 5% here. Now this face cream is also formulated with lime pearl, and I looked it up and it says that lime pearl is extracted from caviar lime, and they are a natural source of AHA for gentle skin exfoliation. Now if you notice, these vitamin C creams are mostly tied with a little bit of mild exfoliating effects for the skin. They know what they are doing there, because this will then give you the skin brightening effect that your skin needs. It also contains an ingredient called bisabolol, I hope I'm correct, and it is derived from chamomile. And this ingredient helps to calm the look of reactive and sensitive skin, and is often used in baby products for its skin soothing benefit. That would mean that this is a very skin nurturing, skin repairing, and skin protecting ingredient that would just help keep your skin healthy, while the vitamin C is brightening your skin, and also the lime pearl is lightly exfoliating your skin. So if you're not on a very tight budget and you can splurge, then this is definitely a face cream that you should look into getting, because you definitely get all the skin brightening effects that you need on your skin with consistent use of this face cream. Moving on to the next vitamin C face cream I'll be mentioning today, and it is one that I've already spoken about on this channel, and it is the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Brightening Face Cream. Now the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream is also a gel-like formula, so if you have oily skin or combination skin, this would be good for you, but it's also okay for normal skin and also dry skin, but you would need to support it with like a higher moisturizer if your skin is very dry. Now this one contains also collagen as well, improves fine lines and dull skin. The vitamin C face cream is known for being such a very effective antioxidant, which helps to protect the skin against the effects of aging. Now the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C face cream also contains hyaluronic acid to provide deep and natural moisturizing effect. It clarifies your complexion, revealing a natural, glowing, healthy looking skin. So yeah, the Dr. Rashel one, you guys know I've spoken to you about it before. It is a gel-like formula. Yeah, it does the job in actually taking care of your skin. With this one, I have to tell you guys, like, while I was using it, or I still have it, it doesn't really give like a drastic effect on the skin if you use it alone. But if you use it alongside the serum, that is the Dr. Rashel Brightening Serum, and also their Essence Toner, it is a great one for the skin. It gives the brightening effect much faster. I wanted to also mention that apart from just using your vitamin C face cream, you can support it with a vitamin C serum, because the serums are usually packed with like a higher percentage of the potent ingredient or the active ingredient to help give you like better effect on your skin. If you guys would also like for me to recommend top vitamin C brightening face serums, you let me know by thumbsing up this video if that is correct, or leaving a comment down below to just let me know that you would like to get that video from me, and I will definitely get to work for you guys. Now for the last vitamin C face cream I'll be recommending in this video today is the Radiant C cream from the brand Laneige. Now this particular face cream is said to be a dual vitamin blend, and that is because it contains not just vitamin C but also vitamin E as well. And now, like I mentioned earlier, vitamin E is also a great antioxidant for the skin. So this is said to give a double antioxidant effect on the skin. Now for this one, I haven't used it before. It says here to have a 67.17 success rate of repairing skin barrier and also 78.51 success rate of increasing moisture level on the skin. Now on their website, it is dermatologist tested, of course. It is also hypoallergenic tested and non-comedogenic tested, which means it will not clog your pores. So if you have oily skin or combination skin, or your pores are just basically prone to clogging, then this particular face cream will do a good job in not clogging your pores. Now for this particular face cream, it is said that in 2 weeks it has a 30% success rate of reduction of dullness on the skin. So if you're trying to combat dull skin and have a brighter skin, of course this is also a face cream that you should definitely look into as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. We've come to the end of our recommendations today, and do not forget what I said earlier. Please make sure to use your vitamin C products with a good sunscreen to protect your skin so you can get all the results that you want to get on your skin or that you're expecting to see. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. If you want more recommendations like this from me, please thumbs up this video, and if you're not subscribed by now, please definitely make sure that you subscribe and check that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post a video. Also, you can check out other videos on my channel that you haven't seen yet. I have some amazing content on my channel, and as usual, I wish you guys a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.